Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class children. So in our previous class, we have learned two new places in our Indian place value system children. Just let's recall once. Okay, what are they? The 7th place and the 8th place in our Indian place value system. What are they children? 7th place is called as 10 lakhs place. The 8th place is crores place children. And you have been introduced to a new period which is crores period children. So let's just once see here. Okay children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs and then crores. So these are the two new places you have learned children. Now, so and also you know the periods children, that is ones, tens and hundred places are kept under ones period, thousands and 10,000s are kept under thousands period and lakhs and 10 lakhs are kept under lakhs period and then crores of course is in the crores period children. So the periods, 4 periods and 8 places you have learned children, and each place in the Indian place value system has got its own place value children, place value. Okay, so the ones place will be having a value of 1. Okay, and then tens place will be having 10 children. Then hundreds place will be having 100. Similarly, thousands place 1000. 10,000s place will have 10,000. Lakhs 1 lakh. And then 10 lakhs place will have the value of 10 lakhs. Okay. And then crores 1 crore. See the place values are increasing children as the places are okay. It is increasing. Place value also increasing when you move from right to left children. Suppose I take a number. Okay, let me take one example. Okay children. So, what is this number? It is 34,216. Now, I want to write the place value of 2 here. I want to find the place value of 2. What do you mean by place value? Place value of a digit in a number is nothing but the value of the digit multiplied with the place value of the place. Okay. It depends on the place in which it is present children. So 2 here is present in which place? 2 is present in hundreds place. So its place value, let us see what is in hundreds place. Hundreds place value is 100. So 2 is present in that place. So 2 into 100, 200 is the place value children. 200 is the place value. And then what is the face value of 2 children? If place value is 200, then what is the face value of 2? Face value of a digit is nothing but the digit itself. Face value doesn't depend on the position of the digit in the number. Okay, it is just the digit itself. Okay, so the face value of 2 is 2 only. These all things you have learned in 4th class children. Okay, so place value, face value. Then I want to write the place values now of all the digits in this number. So let's see here. First, coming to 6. 6 is in ones place. So its place value is 6 ones are 6. Next, 1 is in tens place. Its place value is 10. 2 is in hundreds place. 200. And then 4 is in thousands place. 4 into 1000. 4,000. Finally, the last place 10,000s place. 3 is in 10,000s place. So 3 into 10,000. 3 tens are 30. So 30,000. So these are the place values of each digit in the number. Okay children. Then coming to expanded form children. Okay, now I have written what I have written here. The place values of each digit. Okay, when I add these place values, okay, nothing but it is called as the expanded form of the given number children. This is called as the expanded form of the given number. What is expanded form? Expanded form is nothing but the sum of the place values of each digit in a given number. So did you understand, children? So sum of the place values of each digit in a number is called as the expanded form of the number. We are expanding the number. Okay, children? Okay, children. So now we have learned about place value, face value and expanded form, children. So let us go to the exercise 1.2. And in exercise 1.2, children, you can see here the first bit is nothing but marking the periods and writing the number name which you already completed in exercise 1.1. You can try a few sums from this, children. Okay, just put the commas and write the number name, nothing but writing in words. Okay, children. So straight away we will move on to the next bit, second bit. So what is the second bit? Write the period and place value of each of the underlined digit. Actually it's given as colored digit. I will just underline what is that digit, children. So underline digit. What is the first number? 74 lakhs 2615, children. The given number, and the underlined digit is 6, children. So here you have nearly 8 sums in this bit, second bit. So like a tabular form you do, children, this one. Okay, draw a table and you can keep 3 headings, that is number, period and place value, and you can write all the given numbers one after another, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8, and then each colored digit or underline the digit and then write its period as well as place value. Okay, children. So what is the digit underlined here? 6 is the digit which is underlined in the given number. The 6 is in which period? Just now we have seen periods. Okay, periods. First 3 places are coming under ones period. So 6. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So 6 also comes under ones period. So what is the period name you write, children? Ones period. And what is the place value? Which place 6 is in? Ones, tens, hundreds place it is in. So its place value is 6 into 100, 600. So period name and the place value. Okay, children, period and the place value. Let us see one more sum. Second one. 14 lakh 1079, and then 1 is the underlined digit. 14 lakh 1079. 1 is the underlined digit here, children. Which period is this 1 belong to? Now you can see here this first 3 digit ones period. Next 10,000, 10,000, thousands period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs come under lakhs period. So which period is this? Lakhs period. Okay, and then which place it is in? 1 is in which place? This is lakhs and this is 10 lakhs. So 1 is in 10 lakhs place. So its place value is 1 into 10 lakh, which is 10 lakhs. So you can write the place value as 10 lakhs. Okay, children. So in this manner, remaining sums you can solve. Now let us see the third bit, which is expanded form of the given number. Just now I have told you what is expanded form. It is nothing but the sum of the place values of all the digits present in the number. Okay, so just let us write what are the place values of each digit. Okay, that's it. So the expanded form, here let me write the number again. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and then 10 lakh. So what is the expanded form? The expanded form is, let us start writing the place values of each digit, children, starting from the highest place, okay, which is 10 lakhs. So 3 in 10 lakhs, 3 tens are 30 lakhs, okay. 30 lakhs. How many zeros I need to write? Just count. After 3, how many digits are there? That many zeros I need to put, because in the remaining places zeros I need to put. So 3 after 6 places are there. So 6 6 zeros, children. And then you can put the commas also. Now, next place is lakhs place. 1 is in lakhs place, so 1 lakh. So, 1 after 5 digits. So, 5 zeros. 1 after 5 zeros. This is the place value of 1. Next, 2 10,000s, 20,000. 2 after 4 digits. So, 4 zeros. 20,000. Next, 4 is in thousands, so 4,000. 4 after 3 places, so 3 zeros. Next, 0 is in hundreds place, so 0 in any place, its place value will be 0 only, because 0 when you multiply, the answer will be 0 only. So you can put 1 0 or you can like skip that also, children. So if you are getting confused, you can put 1 0 there. 0 into anything is 0. Now 5 in tens place, 5 tens are 50. 6 in ones place, 6 ones are 6. So what did we do, children? We just wrote the sum of the place values of each digit for the given number. This becomes our expanded form. So in the same manner, remaining sums in the textbook, nearly 8 sums are there. So remaining, how many you can try? You can try, children, remaining sums. Very easy, expanded form. Right, children? So after the expanded form, next comes standard form, children. So you can observe here in the previous sum, expanded form, we have expanded the number. Now the expanded form is given for us in the question. Now we have to make it short. Okay, it is also called as short form or standard form, children. How can I make it short? How can I make it short, children? You need to observe the given question carefully. What all places are present in the given number by observing the place values. Okay, place value, by observing the place value, by observing the number of zeros there, you can easily sort out what is the place there. Okay, then remaining places which are not present here, you have to observe carefully. Okay, now in my question, let me start from the right side. Okay, single digit. So this is in ones place, children. Okay, 10, 2 digits, tens place. Then I have 3 digits. Okay, hundreds place. Then I have 4 digits, 2 followed by 3 zeros, 4 digits, which is fourth place, thousands place. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth place, not fifth place. So fifth place, 10,000s place is not there here, children. 10,000s place is missing here. It's not there. Okay, then what is the sixth place? Lakhs place. Now let us start writing the standard form. Okay, how I should write? Take the first digit of every number, put it together and write it as standard form. Now what about 10,000s place there? 10,000s place, it's missing here, it's not there. You can take 0 in place of 10,000. Now let's start. First from lakhs place, 5 is the digit. Okay, 5 lakh. And then 10,000s place, as it is not there, put a 0. Thousands place, starting digit 2. And then hundreds place 6. Tens place 1. Ones place obviously 1. So this is the short form or the standard form for the given question, children. So like this places you can write and then write the short form, which makes your sum very easy. Okay, in this way you can write it very easily without making any mistakes, children. Now in the same standard form, one more type of question is given here, children. Here the place values are given, okay, like number. Okay, but here in another way the place values are given like words. Okay, 8 crores. Okay, 2 10,000s, 1,000, 4 hundreds and 7 ones. Okay, so in the same manner, now you know the places are given here very easily. You can write this one, children. Okay, so start from crores place or you can start from ones place, children. So ones place 7 is there. Next, tens place is there, children? It's not there, tens place. So tens place, let me take 0. Hundreds place, what is the digit here? 4. Okay, so hundreds place 4. Next, thousands place 1. Thousands place 1. 10,000s place 2. 10,000s, 2. And then lakhs and 10 lakhs are there, children? Not there. Lakhs is not there, 10 lakhs also not there. Take zeros in place of them. Okay, so lakh, 0. 10 lakhs also 0. Okay, children, next finally crores. So what is in crores place? 8. So this is our answer, children. You can mark the periods with comma. So first after 3 places, next after 2 places, next also after 2 places. So this is nothing but 8 crores 21,407. This is the way you have to write short form for this type of sum. So both are short form only, children. So you can try the remaining sums from the exercise. Thank you, children.